everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Laura. Thank you for joining us today, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own at-home sugar scrub. So if you want to see how I make the sugar scrub, then just continue to watch the video. Okay, so these are the products that I use to make my at-home sugar scrub. We've got apple cider vinegar, we have honey, we've got raw sugar, and then we have regular sugar back here in our tin. And then we've got lemon essential oil. I got my little container here that I like to keep it in and mix it up in. So first I'm just going to let you know right now, we're not doing measurements. I'm sure you could if you wanted to, but I'm pretty much just do it by eye and get the consistency that I want. And that's what I would recommend for you too. So I'm going to pour in a layer of sugar. So I just kind of like to do a layer of raw sugar. And I'm going to go into my regular sugar, I guess. This is regular sugar here. Artificial sugar. I don't know what you call this. It's white sugar. Layer that. And I'm going to do a layer of honey. Well, maybe not a layer, but I'm going to squirt the honey in on top. Alright, and then we're going to put in, shake up your apple cider vinegar first. Let's just hope we don't make a mess again. And honestly, that's probably all I'm going to need of that. So we're going to mix that up. Alright, so this is a really runny consistency. I don't want that. So, another layer of raw sugar. Mix it up. White sugar. Try not to make a mess everywhere. I'm going to do a little bit more honey. Just because I want to. Honey there. I pretty much like this consistency that it's at, but I do want to fill up the container because if I fill up the container more, it will not go as fast. You know what I mean? Might as well just fill the container so I don't have to do this again for a while. So, grab some more, what do you call this? Sugar in the raw. More of our white sugar. I can smell the honey. I can definitely smell the apple cider vinegar. The reason why I do this over like a coffee scrub or something is because we have a septic tank here, and you're not supposed to put coffee grounds or eggshells down your sink. So I'm assuming that goes the same for grabbing the honey. I'm assuming that goes the same for your shower drain as well. So I must want like the tiniest bit. So yeah, if you have a septic tank, I wouldn't ever recommend doing a coffee scrub because that's just not good for your septic system. Apparently it doesn't break down. It could lead to having some issues. Alright, our last step is going to be to put in the essential oils. Lemon is known as a natural bleach. So this helps with spot correcting. The lemon oil helps with that, but not only is it going to help with that, but it's going to make this smell better. So you're not going to smell that apple cider vinegar on there. So this is my sugar scrub, and I use this over my entire body except for my face. Please do not ever use this on your face. The raw sugar is just going to be too harsh for your face, because your skin on your face is a lot more sensitive than your skin on your body. So please don't use this on your face. But yep, and I like to use this a lot before I shave and or do self-tanning at home. That way you get the dead skin cells off. So I'll use this on my armpits pretty much every time I take a shower, because this will help you get off your deodorant really well and keep your armpits nice and fresh. And then I'll use this before I shave under my armpits. That way it exfoliates the skin so you don't get like bumps under your armpits. And then I also like to use this on my bikini line before I shave. Do not use it after you shave, because it might sting a little bit. But use it before you shave, because it helps get away dead skin cells and keeps you from getting the bumps along your bikini line. And that's how I make my own at-home sugar scrub. So if you try this out, let me know. Let me know if you put any other products in it that I didn't really think about. And if you want to see how I make my own at-home shaving gel and my own at-home apple cider vinegar rinse, I will put those links down below so you can go check those out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other at-home products that I make. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.